In this video, you'll learn how to delete an admin user in Calendly. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to either remove admin access from a user or delete them entirely from your account. Begin by navigating to the admin center. On the left sidebar of your Calendly dashboard, locate and click on the option labeled Admin Center. This action will direct you to the administration settings where you can manage users and roles. Once you are in the Admin Center, the next step is to open the User section. Within the Admin Center interface, find and click on Users. After this action, you will see a comprehensive list of all team members along with their respective roles displayed on the screen. Now, you need to locate the admin user that you intend to remove, scroll through the list of users to find the specific. Once you identify the correct individual, click on the three dots which are represented by an ellipsis next to their name. This action will reveal additional options for managing their role. At this point, you have two options to choose from, depending on your intention. If your goal is to remove the admin role while keeping the user in the account, select Edit Role, then change their role from admin to user. After making this adjustment, be sure to click Save to confirm the changes. This will maintain their account but revoke their administrative permissions. Alternatively, if you wish to delete the user entirely from your organization, click on Remove User. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you want to proceed with this action. Confirm your choice and the user will be completely removed, losing all access to the organization. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.